Hi viewers, welcome to Cyber World Technologies. If you want to get my latest updates first into your mail, please subscribe to my channel and click on this bell icon.
So this is the file, this is the software which can increase your speed of your internet. And let's start with this. Open it and run as administrator, and if it asks, click yes and it will opens. Yes, this is the interface of the software. And now there are so many options here: test internet speed, cutoff, resume, scannet, refreshnet. And here comes the space scannet and refreshnet. Here this is the gateway of your router, means the default gateway. If you scan that, it will scans the network, means all the devices in your network. And if you refresh it, it starts again from the first and refreshes the older networks. Here means how many new connections are there also, and this is the first and this is the second, the router. If you stop this, it will stop your internet, and that is the your computer. If you stops any one of this, internet will stop. So don't cut these two. And remaining next, from third, all these are remaining clients in your network. And let's start with my mobile. And now let's mirror my screen, and this is the mirror of my mobile. Now see my IP. Just go to settings and Wi-Fi, and in Wi-Fi go to settings or advanced settings and see your IP address. That's the IP address of my mobile: 192.168.1.1. no 1.2. And here, yeah, this is my mobile IP. Let's test it. And open Chrome. Now select something. Yes, it's loading. Yes, it's my Facebook. And now let's test after cutting. Yeah, select that, and this is the resume option and this is the cutoff option. Now go to cutoff. It will show red mark and a pop-up notification in Chrome opens. And if it shows off and red mark, means the network stops to that device, so internet does not goes. Now let's reload this page. Wait. Yes, now reloading. And now let's see what happens. Yes, it doesn't loaded and showing you are offline. When the network to this is fully off. Yes, now let's reload it again to test, and it's showing that you are offline. So wait. Yeah, it's loading, but internet is not there. Now let's go to this and resume. If you resume it again, the internet will passes to the device. Yes, it's on and it's green. And now let's reload it to test. Wait, yes, here we go, and it it's loading. Yes, come on. Yeah, it's loaded. So you can see the difference before cutting and after cutting, and again after owning the internet to the device. So by this you can cut any of the device internet from your computer by this Netcut software, and any of the network, and don't cut the first and seconds, and that's your own networks, and any one of the networks you can cut by cut off. And there are so many options like test internet speed, and if you click there, and you can go to website and help, and here are the options like start Netcut with system startup. If you select it, it starts with system startup, and that tips, and it tests the internet speed, and it gives a Netcut defender. There is a separate software choice network and all that.